Introduction. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's video. We'll explore dream honeymoon destinations. With Diana and her friend Haya. Improve your English. Conversation skills in a relaxed way. Learn new vocabulary and phrases. Get a glimpse into Diana's honeymoon plans. Enhance your English. Language skills. Join the conversation. Let's get started. Diana call her best friend Haya.
Ooh. Diana call.
Diana.
Hey Haya, how are things with you?
Haya.
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. D. So, what's the honeymoon plan?
Diana.
My hubby and I are thinking of where to go for our honeymoon. We're considering Greece or Turkey.
Haya.
Ah, nice choices. But D, I've got a better idea. Indonesia. It's an amazing country with gorgeous beaches, temples, and a vibrant culture.
Diana.
We're also thinking of Spain or Italy. They have awesome beaches and historical sites too.
Haya.
Yeah, those are great options. But trust me, D, Indonesia's got its own unique charm. You'll love the beaches, temples, and cultural events.
Diana.
Okay, you're making me want to go to Indonesia. What can we do there? Are there good restaurants and shopping spots?
Haya.
Tons of stuff. You can chill on Bali's beaches, snorkel and swim in the Gili Islands, and indulge in delicious Indonesian food. And yeah, there are plenty of awesome restaurants and shopping spots.
Diana.
Wow, I'm sold. Indonesia. Here we come. But Haya, will there be a language problem?
Haya.
Nah, D. Most people in Indonesia speak English, especially in tourist areas. And if you get stuck, you can always use Google Translate.
Diana.
Awesome. Thanks for the tip. So, have you been to Indonesia before?
Haya.
Yeah, I have. And I had an amazing time. Indonesia's a place that'll definitely win your heart.
Diana.
Cool. I'm even more excited now. Thanks for the rec, Haya.
Haya.
No worries, D. Indonesia's gonna be an awesome honeymoon spot for you.
Thanks for joining Diana and Haya's conversation. Hope you had fun watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your feedback is invaluable. So leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Keep practicing your English skills.